We are looking at a military 10 kilowatt diesel Onan. It's called an MEP003A. It has 9/10 of 1 hour on it. It's new old stock. I've got the panel lights on now there for you. I'm going to take you a walk around. I don't want to run it too much. Hopefully we won't get it in the hours. It's got 56 minutes of runtime. What I'm going to do is I've got this plugged into the AC power, and that goes into the outlet strip into a kilowatt meter, or the kilowatt meter is plugged in, and then that goes into the I don't know, 1600 watt fan heater. And also we have a, I'll put this right here. It's a 250 watt heat lamp. One of the things I did is I took out the military hard to get filters and put in this 10 micron spin-on filter. Your oil pressure gauge is there. What I did is, it did have 0.8 of an hour, but I did crank it for a little bit with the glow plugs out, so I could not put a load on the engine since it's been sitting for so long, and get the oil pressure up so it had a nice easy start. And then now I'm ready to fire it up. I did fire it up with the engine running for just a moment, so now we're going to do that again. Just thought I'd give you a walk around before we fire it up and run it, and put more minutes on the operation. Here's your throttle right here. It's all mechanical. There's no electronics on this unit. Okay, so your throttle's right here. You push the button in and you can pull it out. We're going to just give it a little bit of throttle for the cold start. Okay, here we go. It's got a preheat button. Listen. That's the glow plugs warming up. And then you switch all the way over to the start. Try it again. Preheat. You switch it all the way over to the start. There she goes. Let's turn this thing on. There's the light. There's the kilowatt meter. Look at her hertz. We're running slow. We want to run faster. Turn this and it'll turn it faster. The heat coming out already. There you go. Look at the hertz again. 60 hertz. What? 125 volts. There you go. Alright, we're going to shut this thing down now. Listen to the engine. Idle it down. Take a quick walk around. It's still 0.9 of an hour. It's got fuel pumps. Electric fuel pumps to come on. Okay, that's it. All right. Well, there's your new old stock military 10 kilowatt generator. Thanks for looking.